Alright, my Tabor City home here, and today we are outside doing yard work, and we were trimming up the hedges over there, and this weed whacker here has become just as weak as water. Running inside, got on YouTube, did a little bit of research, and so what we're looking at is a fouled spark arrestor. I'll show you what this thing's doing before So as you can see, it's just not revving up. It's not displaying that it has full power to the unit. So we're going to run through here real quick and get the spark arrestor straightened out. Now, so these are 225 bolts, or screws rather, holding this carburetor cover on here. Now this unit, as you can see, we just ran it for a second, and it is not cooled down. So get these Phillips head screws out of here. And get these other two out. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely got some temperature to it. Alright, so here's the screen, and the purpose of this screen is to keep the unit from throwing out any kind of sparks if you're out working in the high vegetation is dried up, and it'll keep you from throwing a spark out that could potentially start a fire. Now I'll show you something here real quick. So all we've done is take that spark arrestor screen out. So you can see a major difference. So if you have a weed whacker, pretty much you know, a lot of brands have them, and you've lost a tremendous amount of power and the thing's just running weak as water, you can go ahead and replace the screen. Now there's two things you can do with the screen. One, which is what I'm going to do, put it in a vise and take a plumber's torch and just heat that thing up till it's glowing red, let it burn all that carbon off the screen. You got to be careful that you don't go too far and ruin the screen, or you can get a replacement screen. Don't recommend, I mean, I'm a fireman, don't recommend that you take the thing out, you know, woods fires, no bueno. So replace it, just be safe and replace it, or just, you know, take a torch, or even take a pair of needle nose pliers and a candle would be enough heat to just keep moving that thing back and forth, get it all cherry red, burn the carbon off, and you'll be good. And then you have a properly functioning weed whacker. So that's just a little tip. Yeah, so my Tabor City home to you. Let's get outside. Let's trim some hedges. Let's fix something. Let's build something. Let's do something with our hands. America is not a disposable nation.